Welcome back everyone to Purely Nomad. I'm Yash and this is my Ride the Utah series where I go across southern Utah and explore some of the most vivid landscapes US has to offer. Today is unlike any other day in my videos. We are currently in Page, Arizona, preparing for a kayak adventure to discover the Antelope Canyons of Arizona. Our fantastic guide George briefed us on the day's plan and what we can anticipate. This expedition will last for around 4 hours, involving kayaking for approximately 5 miles and hiking for about an hour to explore the canyons. Let's kick off this exciting day. If you are planning a trip to Page, kayaking through the canyons is one of the most recommended activities to do. There are several tour companies that can take you on this adventure, either in kayaks or in big ATVs. We decided to go with the Lake Powell Adventure Company for our tour, which was priced at around $120. We hadn't kayaked in a while, so our arms started to tire as we paddled along. But as we got closer to the canyons, the stunning views kept us motivated to push forward. After an hour and a half of kayaking, we finally arrived at the spot where our hiking adventure would begin. Surrounded by the majestic canyons, it felt like we were in a completely different world. Despite our tired arms, stepping onto the solid ground filled us with anticipation for the upcoming trek. Let's get back to the canyons. As we ventured further into the canyon, the walls seemed to narrow down even more. The morning sun illuminated the rugged cliffs, enhancing their beauty. With just an hour left, we were very eager to delve deeper into the canyons and uncover its hidden wonders. Despite my best efforts, my camera just couldn't capture the true essence of this place. It's no surprise that this captivating location ranks among the most captured destinations in the US. After approximately 1 hour, we made a U-turn, hopped into the kayaks and embarked on the challenging 2.5-mile trek back to the base. This journey is truly draining, but the breathtaking vistas of the canyons make it all worthwhile. Additionally, it's crucial to have an ample supply of water and snacks to keep your energy levels up. Considering the demanding nature of this adventure, we had made the decision to spend the night in Page and continue to our next destination the following morning. So, we headed straight to the hotel and spent the remainder of the day resting and exploring Page. The next morning, we embarked on our journey to Zion National Park, our next destination. The drive was short and we had made plans to explore a couple of places on the way. The weather was absolutely delightful with clear skies and perfect conditions. We began our day by visiting Toadstool Hoodoo, which was our first stop for the day. Located approximately 45 minutes away from Page, this place provided us with an incredible introduction to the wonders of Utah. It truly felt like stepping into another world. The hike from the parking lot takes about 40 minutes in total, and I strongly suggest making a stop here. As it is a bit further from the road, it is also renowned for astrophotography. If you are interested in capturing the night sky, this spot is easily accessible even after dark. After a quick stop, we made our way to the sand caves of Kanab, our next destination. A friend had recommended them to me, so I decided to check them out since they were conveniently on our route. To reach the caves from the parking lot, there is a short 20-minute hike that is relatively easy. Once you reach the top, the views are breathtaking and the cave itself exudes a sense of tranquility. It's fascinating to think that these sand caves were formed during the mining period in this area. Even though the mining operation was short-lived, the caves stayed, and now they serve as a wonderful spot to take a break and enjoy the surroundings while traveling through this region. After the sand caves, we embarked on our journey towards our final destination of the day, Zion National Park. This park marks the beginning of our exploration of the 5 national parks in this series. Despite the weekend traffic on the road, the beauty of the surroundings overshadowed any inconveniences. Zion National Park is among the most popular parks in the US, known for its towering canyons and excellent hiking opportunities. Our main goal was to secure a permit for the infamous Angel's Landing Trail and experience its magnificence firsthand. However, obtaining a permit for this trail is no easy feat. It requires entering a lottery and relying solely on luck. So stay tuned for the next episode to discover if we are fortunate enough to secure a spot in the lottery. Zion National Park offers awe-inspiring scenery that truly takes your breath away. I can easily say it is one of the most stunning rides I've ever done. We arrived at Zion at around 5 p.m. and secured a hotel in Springdale, conveniently located near the south entrance of the park. It was an enjoyable day filled with adventure, and I feel fortunate to have had the opportunity to embark on this journey. That concludes our time here, but if you enjoyed the video, you know the drill. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future. See you in the next one.